Hello everyone. So now we will be solving this equation. As to solve this equation, firstly we need to separate the log part to the other side and the other remaining part to the left hand side. What I mean is that we can do it as x plus 1 is equal to 2 log 3 plus 2 to the power x to the base 2 minus 2 log base 4 10 minus 2 to the power minus x, right? Now we can solve it. X plus 1 can be written as 2 log 3 plus 2 to the power x to the base 2 minus 2 log 2 square 10 minus 2 to the power minus x. Now we will use some properties of log as shifting this 2 in the power of 3 plus 2 to the power x, and this 2 which is in the power of the base will be shifted in the denominator. So these are the properties of log, might be aware of it. So log 3 plus 2 to the power x whole square minus to the base 2 first, and it becomes 2 upon 2 log 10 minus 2 to the power minus x to the base 2. Now this 2 gets cancelled, and what we are left with is x plus 1 is equal to, this is also x plus 1, x plus 1 is equal to log 2 3 plus 2 to the power x whole square minus log 10 minus 2 to the power minus x to the base 2. We will use the property log of a minus log of b to the same base is equal to log of a by b. So I can write as log of 3 plus 2 to the power x whole square divided by 10 minus 2 to the power x to the base 2 is equal to x plus 1. Now as there is no inequality here, it is a simple equation. So there is no tension of changing the sign of inequality. If you know, you know. Okay, so let's proceed. I can just shift the base to the left hand side. 2x plus 1 is equal to 3 plus 2 to the power x and 10 minus 2 to the power minus x. Okay, it is obvious that we are seeing 2 to the power x again and again, so we can assume 2 to the power x as y to make our calculation much look easier and also faster, and to eliminate all the errors that could happen. So I can write it as 2y is equal to 3 plus y whole square upon 10 minus y, sorry, 10 minus 1 upon y, right? Now 2y into 10 minus 1 upon y is equal to 3 plus y whole square. We will solve it. So it will become 20y minus 2 is equal to 3 9 plus y square plus 6y. On further solving, y square minus 14y plus 11 is equal to 0, right? Now the important part here is that we are having this equation, right? And in this equation I can write that the roots of this equation, the sum of roots of this equation is uh, uh, 14 is equal to 14, and product of these equation is 11. So what can I write is that 2 to the power x and 2 to the power y. Let's say two roots are there of this 2 to the power x1 and 2 to the power x2 are the roots of this equation. So I can say 2 to the power x1 plus 2 to the power x2 is equal to 14, and 2 to the power x1 into 2 to the power x2 is equal to 11. So I can further write it as 2 to the power x1 plus 2 to the into x2. 2 to the power x1 plus x2 is equal to 11. Right? Now we need to calculate the sum of roots of the above equation. The sum of roots of the above equation. So taking log, as this is of no use to us, so we can say 2 to the power x1 plus x2 is equal to 11, and taking log on both sides with the base 2, I can write log 2 2 to the power x1 plus x2 is equal to log 2 11. This x1 plus x2 in being in the power will come after log, or in the multiplication of the log, and it will become log 2 to the base 2, and it will become log 2 11. This will cancel out to 1, so I can write that our final answer will be x1 plus x2. The sum of roots will be log 2 11, right? The sum of roots will be log 11 to the base 2. This will be the sum of roots of the above equation that we have started, that we have started with, that we have started with, right? Okay, so this is only for today. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. My name is Prakhar Jain. Thank you.